Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we are going to learn how to make square to circle effect using HTML and CSS. So first, I'm going to create 100 divs. Now this isn't the most efficient way to do it. A much more efficient way would be to create 100 divs using JavaScript, but I'm just going to do this since I'm too lazy to use JavaScript these days. Don't know these days any day. So next I'll go to the CSS. I'll give each div I'll give each div a width of 10 of the screen's width, height of 10 of the screen's height, and the background color of cornflower blue. Whoops. So anyways, now you can see I have a long column of divs. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the body, and then I am going to set the body's display to grid, and then width to 10 as we, then grid template columns, grid template rows, to repeat 10,10 SVW. Let's repeat 10,10 SVH. Good. Into the position fixed. Oh, top 0. Now I've got a very large amount of divs. I've got a lot of divs. Now I want to so that when I hover over the divs, I'll set the border radius to 0 to 100%. No, not obsidian. And there we go. Border radius now set to 100%. I'm going to make the transition smoother. I'm going to set the transition to 0.1 seconds. I have a feeling that this transition is a bit too, fast. So anyways, you can set it to however you want. I'm going to make it a little bit more stylish. Oh yeah, next I'm going to set the filter. I'm going to set the brightness to 0.5. Let me see what that does. Just makes them darker. I don't want them to be darker, so I'll set it to 1.5. Too light, 1.2. There we go. Now it doesn't look that good, but you'll see why I did it. But you'll see why I did this later. Actually, no, not later. Now. So now I'm going to create div initial to n, which means that every second instance of this div is going to be this color. So now it's kind of like striped here. And now you see the reason why I did use brightness is so that if I just use the solid colors, then it wouldn't matter which div I hovered over. They would all be the same color on hover. But now When I hover over the divs, it's going to be a lighter version of the color that the div is. You can clearly see the difference. And finally, I'm going to go to div and child 3n. Oh wait, let me do 4n. And I'm going to make it darker. Yikes. 3n. I'm going to make it darker. And now I'll set the box shadow to 0, 0, 20 pixels. RGB is 0.5. Looks much better. Anyways, now I'm going to go to body, set the background color to cornflower blue. Yes. So anyways, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel ObaCode. Bye.